video. So today I am going to be spending some time with you in the kitchen. I've decided to do a full day eating French food, vegan style. So I'm just going to show you breakfast, lunch and dinner, and then if I'm still hungry later on this evening I might try dessert. Hope you enjoy. Before you go ahead and watch the rest of the video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share. Just share the love, you know what to do. Thank you all for watching. That is so simple, so easy, so tasty. I think I'm going to be having this more often. So good. So for lunch I did a take on the French beef bourguignon. So I'm gonna give it a taste. I've never made this before, so this was a completely and utterly a learning curve for me. Smells absolutely delicious. That's really good. The mushrooms are still like a small bit crunchy. I use mushrooms instead of like meat. It would usually be beef. So I did a mushroom version. And there's carrot in here too. And a few green beans on the side. That was so good. Altogether this took me about half an hour to make, which I think is pretty good. And it tastes absolutely delicious. The carrots are so yummy. They're perfectly cooked. Can't wait to see what Jack thinks when he comes home. Tell me what you think.
No, it's delicious. What is it?
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
First time ever making that.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yay! Success!
No, I think it's delicious. It's really, really nice. I'll buy it.
Yay! I'm glad you like it.
Monsieur? Monsieur?
This looks so creamy and gooey, doesn't it?
Are you fucking next level?
You like it? I think this will be something that we're making again.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Yes.
I really like that.
That's banging.
Okay everybody, that's gonna conclude today's video. A full day eating French food, 3 little meals. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again soon for the next one. Say bye.
Bye!